Next, I would like to explore Python syntax a little bit more. And for example, I'll modify my program to look like this. I'm just going to hit Control A so to select everything and paste a new version of this program. I'll resize my font so that you can see the code that I'm trying to use. And this is just my attempt to show the corresponding negative number of the same magnitude, right? So I'm trying to use a string format function. So I'll save this code and try running it again in my command window. It's easy to repeat the previous command just by basically hitting the up and down arrow keys. So I hit the up arrow key and hit enter and try the same thing. All right, so my initial attempt, as you can see, it didn't look very good. So it basically, the reason for this is that Python string objects are immutable, and we call format function right here, and it creates a brand new modified string object with embedded formatted parts as expected. However, we do not capture the new string, and we still print the unmodified version of it, the original version of it. And this is why the output right here on this line looks pretty much like an unfinished program. So let's just fix it. What I need to do is to replace this wrong line of code with something like this, right? So I'll just keep a comment here that this was incorrect, and essentially demonstrate that the format function, which does wonderful things. It formats strings very nicely with all sorts of data embedded in them. But we need to replace the old string, which we created here on this line, with the new string, and then we can print it. And I expect that this will look good. So I save this and go back to my command window, run it again. So try the same number, and it says that's a positive number, but the negative number of the same magnitude is -5. So everything run as expected. And now that we have this working properly, we should also try a few more experiments to try breaking this code in our next video.